In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Trello. We'll take you through this process step by step so you can seamlessly integrate your documents into your Trello boards, making project management more organized and efficient. First, let's begin with logging in. Head over to Trello's website where you'll be greeted with options to access your account. Click on Login, which you can find at the top right of your screen. This will take you to a page where you can choose your login method. If you've been using your Google account with Trello, go ahead and click on the Google option. This simplifies things by letting you select your account from a list, saving you from having to remember another password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Trello board where your project lives. Click on the link for the board you're working with. This will usually be one you've been using frequently, so it should be easy to find in your main Trello dashboard. From there, you'll need to find an appropriate card where you want to upload your file. It's often in cards titled something related to specific tasks or projects, such as kickoff meeting. On the card, locate and click on the comments section. This is where you can add notes, discussions, and of course attachments. Now look for the paperclip icon. This little icon is your gateway to adding files, so give it a click. Doing so will open a dialog box that lets you choose files from your computer. When your File Explorer appears, find the file you want to attach, select it, and confirm your choice. Uploading your file is straightforward, but it's crucial to ensure you're attaching the correct document, especially in professional settings where accuracy is important. After selecting your file, you'll see options to adjust or leave a comment. Enter any context that might help your team members understand why this document has been added or any instructions they should follow. The final touch is saving your upload. Once everything looks right, look for the Save button and give it a click. This ensures your file is now securely attached to the card and your teammates can access it without any hitches. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file in Trello, adding critical information to your workflow and enhancing team collaboration. Taking these steps makes your Trello board more robust, transforming it into a resourceful hub that bridges communication gaps, streamlines processes, and ensures everyone has what they need to move projects forward. With practice, uploading files becomes second nature, helping you maintain organized and efficient workspaces within Trello. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your task management needs.